So we are going to give you a couple drills for making your straight leaps better. So the first drill, and I also use this when teaching them to younger dancers because it's great to get them to understand not to take 150 runs into their leap. So she's gonna walk across the floor going right, left, passe, and then hit a full leap, up, and land. Beautiful. A couple things to think about when you're doing this is your upper body. So when she's walking and she's gonna go walk, walk, and passe, when she goes into this leap, she wants to think about shooting her body straight up versus leaning forward. I know I get a lot of dancers that tend to do that when they're leaning forward. So the whole point of this drill is to really work on that développé and the pop of that leap, because now you're taking out their momentum. So this way they're having to really focus on using that plie and using that développé to actually get up into the air. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and up, and land. Another great drill for working on leaps is you're gonna go across running right, left, and then you're gonna go into your leap, and then from that landing, you're gonna go into your left leap. So you're just alternating right and left and right and left. So this is really working on that plie, working on développé. So you're having to work on those ups and you don't really have much of that run into it or that momentum. So you're having to use that plie to be able to get off the ground.